dealership ती आमची आसा दुर्गा मोटर्स. So we are conducting a small breakfast drive for all our EV customers on the occasion of Tata Motors completing 2 lakh EVs, which is a big milestone for Tata Motors and for us also. That Tata Motors is driving this change. We are part of it. They are driving the sustainable change of EVs in the Indian market. And if you go to see 2 lakh EVs are already on the road. So I'm sure down the line this will reach to 20 lakh very fast. And as you can see, we have got very early in the morning on a Sunday. We've got good support from our own customers who have come for the lovely drive that we are conducting. And as you can see, obviously it's a Sunday, everybody is given their time, and hopefully we can have such more drives in the future with more customers and even on bigger platforms.
आयज हो ड्रायव्ह आसा पळय त्याच्या बद्दल मातशें सांग.
See what drive basically जे आमचे EV customers आसा, it is for them who have just recently purchased EVs. It is basically for them, and we thought it would be a good occasion to celebrate the 2 lakh EVs that is on the road, on Indian road already by Tata Motors. And Goa especially is a great market for EVs. I think one of the highest penetration in the country. Goa has as far as EVs is concerned, 4-wheelers and 2-wheelers both. So if you see that way, then this drive is basically celebrating that and celebrating the support that I think customers show for EVs, especially Goan customers show for EVs.
हो आतां हांगाच्यान स्टार्ट जातली ती खंय एंड जातली.
The end, it's going to end at Marriott Pajim. There we have arranged some refreshment and breakfast for our customers. So it is ending over there.
टोटल आतां कितके कस्टमर येयल्यात.
आता म्हाका दिसता 15 to 20 आसा. Some more we are expecting.
So I got my vehicle somewhere in August, and at first I was very skeptical about it because it's an EV after all. Like suddenly, what if the battery reduces to zero? What so? The first drive was like full of jitters, and I was like, okay, will I reach home or not? So after that, once I started taking the car to work every day, so I average around 50 to 70 kilometers depending on my work schedule. So after each drive, the confidence level increases. Like you'll reach. And one day I forgot to charge my car. It was on 25%. It takes 15% to go home, to go to work and come back. So I was like, okay, will I make it or not? So then I drove off and I made sure it's on eco mode and level 3 region on some places. But it took hardly 10% on that day. So then I realized it's how you drive the car is how it consumes the battery. So you can customize it as per your wish. Like you can drive even across I think 300 kilometers, but then you have to be very cautious while driving. But yeah, I'm enjoying the drive and a great decision finally. Okay, and I drive the Nexon 40.5 kV.
Actually, I was owning a Tata diesel car. It was long back. I'm a fan of Tata.
Wow.
The logical reason is that Tata, they got a steel plant at their backyard. So their safety standards are much better than other companies. So I value safety very much. That was the reason I bought Tata Diesel. So after Tata Diesel, I went to EV Tigor. Now when I shifted from diesel to EV Tigor, I had an experience of almost 15 to 20 years driving diesel car. So the parameters and the way I was driving was not matching with electrical car.
It did not match.
So I had to
Change your mindset.
Yes, I had to relearn everything.
Yeah.
I had to relearn everything, and I came to know that when kWh per hour, that parameter, if it goes down, then my driving will improve.
Yeah.
So that is what I focused, and I learned driving EV car after experience of 15 years of normal car driving. So after that car, I shifted to Nexon 45. So my experience is that if you get that average kWh less, then your mileage will increase. And generally, what I do is I select the eco mode and regeneration level 2, and I use regeneration as a substitute for a brake. So when I release the accelerator, it will act as a brake. So after that, the speed still I want to decrease it, then I apply the brake. So that is how my mileage I am improving. So it was an experience I could share because I had a lot of rough learning from normal car to an electric car. Thank you.
Actually, it's like you have to synchronize yourself with the vehicle. The mode of synchronizing, as you understand you have to understand your vehicle.
Yes.
If you understand your vehicle and you get synchronizing better, then it gives you better mileage and you are more comfortable.
Correct. And another thing I just wanted to point out, I'm thinking out of box. People have anxiety related to the charging stations on the way they go in longer distance. So maybe I can request or put a thought in their mind that the customers of Tata, if they form a group and Tata takes a lead, maybe in case of emergency, each one can help each other at the residential charging point.
Yes, good.
So currently, supposing you have charging point outlet of maybe some 1 lakh or 2 lakh, with your own customer base, you can have sudden
Other
increase of almost 2 lakh. Na?
Yes.
And you should give a choice to the people to get on to that group, so they can help each other. Instead of chargers are not
Searching
available.
for charger.
Yes.
You can go to his home and
Yes,
get it.
yes. And whatever
good
his,
idea.
and whatever his electrical bill, maybe he can charge double. No
Yes.
issue.
Yeah. But at that time, purpose is
Yes, purpose is solved. And you can get this slow charging done
yes.
instead of doing your
Some
DC
charge you can get it, you can
Yes,
reach
yes.
at home or something like that.
So I request Tata to take a lead and form a group.
Definitely we put up this to Tata Motors, let us see.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.